Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. From the description here is the hard drive. It's been renewed. I need to update my hard drive. It's pretty old. It's like 6 years old. So this one has been renewed, has 0 bad sectors, 100% health, state-of-the-art test. Alright, so let's open it up. Are you happy with your product? They want a review. The warranty card, 5-year, 100% guarantee. Alright. Here's the hard drive itself. The HGST. It has 4 terabyte hard drive. The condition looks okay. Some scuffs here. It's a 4 terabyte made in Thailand. SATA 6. Here's the bottom. Looks pretty clean. Alright, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to put it in my computer and see how it is. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.